In this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money online just by listening to radios coming up in this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So guys, the website I'm going to be using is called radioN.com. I'll leave the link in my description box below. Just before I begin this video, I would like to ask you guys for two simple favors, just two simple favors. Smash that like button real hard for me, and it encourages the YouTube algorithm to boost this video to the very top, and also for people like you out there to see it, for more people to see it, because once you hit the like button, the YouTube algorithm knows that people like this video, and we're able to show it to more people out there so that they can view it as well, especially in this pandemic where a lot of persons lost their source of income. So help someone out there just by smashing that like button real hard. How long can it take? Just less than a second, right? So the second favor I want you guys to do for me is to take action. After watching this video, make sure you take action. Don't just watch and wait. After watching, take action. Make sure you take action, because once you take action, I'll be glad that you did, because all my efforts that I'm trying to give you guys information won't be in vain, right? So make sure you take action. So promise me those two things, guys. So moving on, this is radioN.com. The link will be on the description box for your easy access, right? Earn alone or with your website with listening radio. So this website is actually owned by a German company. It's a German company that owns this website, and it's designed by German, and so their English is not that super, so expect to see some grammatical errors on this website, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. So how it works: simple, fast and earn, right? So step one is to sign up. I'll show you guys how to sign up real quick. Then sign in after your registration. It's just like a two-step verification where you have to verify your email address. You know the rest. So start radio or use API. So you can start listening to radios and start earning points. Those points you convert it to money. I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. So make sure you stick to very end of this video. So either you listen to radios and make your points, or you integrate this API. They have a live API. You integrate it on your website, so people that comes to your website can listen to radios on your website. So it's like a win-win for both of you guys. Even you that have a website, you can just put it out there, so people will spend much time on your website, maybe even listen to songs, and with that they can even engage with your content on your website. So it's a win-win for those of you guys, even you guys that are doing blogging and all that. So it's a win-win. So you can integrate it as well, or if you just want to make money and earn points just by listening to radios, or you just earn points. So share this video with your friends, let them gain as much as you are. Some people use this on their Taxify, on their car, they listen to radio. Why? If they listen to radio using this app or website, they can be able to make points and convert it to money and make money for themselves. So share this video with your friends so that they can gain and hear this information, because in this current world that we are in, information is power. If you're not informed, you are deformed. So this is the step 4: earn and pay out. Every 15 minutes you get points. So once you are listening, every 15 minutes you get points. So these points will be converted at the following month to USD. So they convert it to dollars for you, to USD, and you can get payout through bank transfer, wire, gift card, or Bitcoin. They also pay through PayPal. In case you are wondering how to open a PayPal account, I have a video on this channel. It's here, whether you're in Nigeria or Ghana, wherever, it doesn't matter. I have a video, check it out. I might leave a link on my description so you can easily access it as well. So they pay out in USD, so you can just cash out your money and start making it happen for you guys. So the only downside here is that they pay per month. So the next cash out that you're going to get is monthly after 30 days. You can't just cash out like every day, so you have to wait. There's also good thing about delayed gratuity, so you can be patient enough and wait for 30 days. After all, normal job, they pay you after 30 days, so there's no excuse here. So just wait for 30 days and you can convert your points to cash and cash it out real quick. So guys, if you have any comment or any questions so far before I continue, just leave it on the comment section below. Like you know me, I always respond to all my comments. That's because I value you guys, and I hope you guys value me as well. So that's it. Just leave your comments and questions below. I will respond ASAP. So moving on, guys, great features. See what they have in their radio app. So high compatibility, easy compatible with your phone, and they broadcast at 32 kilobytes. Like I said, this is a German site, so don't blame them for their wrong English and all that. So best placed ads, so they place ads on the radio app, so just be aware of that. Ads will be coming up and all that. That's how they make their money, the money that they pay you for listening to. So that's how they make their money. So start your radio, you can have customization tab, detail statistics, just go through all this is just like their feature, what they do, what is inside, what you are going to be getting. So that's how it is. So moving on, their FAQs, frequently asked questions. Simply answer these questions, go through all these questions rather. Sorry about that. So which countries are possible? You can use service worldwide. We support every country. As you can see, they support every country. So it makes use of your current location to search for radios, and you can start making money from them. So registration is 100% free, so there's no excuse. You don't have any qualification, or you don't have this, or you don't have that. All you need is just your smartphone and a fast internet connection, and you start making it out there. So see their statistics, some countries that are work, see their members. This is up to 200,000 listeners. People are listening, already paid. This is big. I think they have a wrong English here, but this is big. Either 200 or 2 million thousand or 2 million, I don't know, dollars rather. So this is the country they support. Moving on, this is United States. As you can see, there's Nigeria here. Guess here Nigeria. They have Algeria and Cameroon and all that. So Nigeria, for you guys, those of you guys, my fans in Nigeria, no excuse, just hop up on this. Even Russia, Australia and all that. So just take if your country is accepted and start making it happen for you guys. So see their social, they have social medias, and go through their privacy and FAQs. Like I keep saying, go through all this information. So guys, I have a link below on my description box below. Check out all these links. They have affiliate links there. I have my EP. I dropped an EP. Check out the EP, it's very dope. Just check it out, and the link to this website will be there as well. So just take out all those links, go through all those links. You'll be glad you did. So let me move on to the sign up page. So I'll just come right here and click on sign up. It will load up the interface, and I'll show you guys real quick how to sign. So this is the sign up page. Once you go to the sign up page, you see all this information. It's just like a two-step verification. Put your username, first name, last name, email and password, then verify you are not a robot, and click on register. Once you register, then you are good to go, and you register. They will send you a verification email. Just verify your email and you are good to go. So share this video with your friends, especially in this pandemic, and that red subscribe button below, just smash that red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos like this coming up tomorrow. So I drop videos almost every single day, so you guys will be getting value, because things are going to be happening, especially in this pandemic, man. So I'm just trying to prepare everyone that is my fan. So that's why I keep saying share this video so that many people can gain, just like you are doing. The good thing you do for me is share this video, like this video, so that much people can see it and they gain enough information, just like you are doing. You understand? So that being said, guys, a playlist will pop up on your screen right now. A playlist will pop up. Click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. All these videos that will be showing you how to make money online on 2020. So make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. And that being said, guys, I will see you on my next video.